Hololight Space lets you visualize entire city scans in augmented and virtual reality with full complexity. This allows you to plan entirely new infrastructure within the city, for example, by visualizing the points of interest of a new cable car system running across the city. Load files in a true scale of 1:1, giving you an exact reference of reality. Collaborate with other users locally and worldwide to discuss new designs or new planning strategies. Explain your ideas to stakeholders with a high-quality representation of your idea. Save time and cut costs from your product development and scale your business to the next level. All thanks to XR streaming.